How to install 3-light kitchen island lantern. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Thread fixture wires through the stem, then screw stem to the arms assembly. Adjust arms to the proper position. Thread fixture wires through the iron frame and cover, then screw loop to the stem through the iron frame and the cover. Fix the battens onto the lower wood frame with screws. Fix the iron frame and upper wood frame onto the battens with screws. Attach the quick link to the chain and the loop on the top of iron frame. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.